morning. Happy Vlogtober 13th hump day. Okay, welcome back to another video. It's hard to do that in the car, but anyway guys, it's tea time right now, so grab your tea and all that good stuff. So today I got something for y'all. Instead of Bible verses and things like that, inspirational quotes and stuff like that, I want y'all to do something. We're gonna have a I dare y'all to do this. I dare you guys. First, let's get a sip of our pumpkin spice. Gotta have a pumpkin spice in your life. I dare you guys today. Today is Wednesday. Do it Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I want you guys to say hi to everybody that you walk past. Everybody. And then I want y'all to come back and report to me. What do y'all think about that? Let me know what was some of the things that transpired. Like these people, you try to be nice and they act like, some people are not. That's what I'm saying. See, some people are not used to you being nice. I'm letting somebody go and they're looking at me like I'm crazy. But anyway, let me know in the comments later on. Is this the right way? Okay, I think I went the wrong way, y'all. Oh Lord. But anyway, let me know what happens. Let me know what transpires from you being nice like that and saying hello. So guys, today I have to go to Walmart to get vitamins. I have to go to Whole Foods. No, I got to go to Whole Foods to get vitamins. I have to go to Walmart to see if they got these door pulls that I like. And I'm going to bring you guys along. And I think I might stop at Dollar Tree. I said Dollar Tree to get some, to get some paper towels. Y'all, that's decaf. It ain't caffeine, so I don't know what's going on this morning. But yeah, I just stopped in to say hi. I give y'all an outfit a day later on or something. I gotta go all the way around, y'all. I done made a boo-boo. Okay, guys, I will see you guys at those places. All right? They're here at the Walmart. They got all kinds of stuff for your Halloween and fall. Look at that. You see that? That's cute. All kinds of stuff. I like these, but they're plastic. Antidote. Candles. All right, let's get on to what I came here for. Look at all these candles. Ooh. I don't need no more candles, but I'm gonna get my vitamins. No, I'm coming in here to get the door pools, and I'm gonna check in here because I got vitamins out of here before. The B12 that I need, so we'll check that out. But I'm gonna look for the knobs first. Guys, they got beautiful curtains and great stuff. Yeah, they trying to come up. Look at this. I didn't even know they had these kind of mats for your door. Really cute. They go one where they drape it, but it's still one. It's just one piece, but that's how they drape it with the checkerboard at the bottom. Y'all, this is what I came in here for. I wanted the gold ones. They don't even have the gold ones. These say, let's see, these are the black. They only have this. They only have these and these. I actually need the gold ones. Oh gosh. The good thing about coming to Walmart early is that nobody's in here. Okay, so that's a blessing. So let's keep going. See if I can find the vitamins. Y'all, I'm so upset I can't find the they don't have what I'm looking for. Always something right. Luck with the vitamin B12, but I'm gonna go ahead and go to Whole Foods and see what they have because I couldn't find it. So guys, what I was saying is they didn't have the they didn't have no gold door pulls, and they didn't. I checked their vitamin section because I was able to get some really good vegan what do you call it? I was able to get some real good vegan. Oh, y'all, this mask, I can't. I was always able to get Violife, which is vegan, from Walmart. So they don't have it. So I'm going to go to Whole Foods. I know for sure they have some vitamins that I was looking for. So we're going to go there next, and then we're going to Dollar Tree because they're all in the same little area. But yeah. All right. Oh, all right. They got my paper towel, y'all. I like these. Yeah, what's going on with this Dollar Tree? It looks crazy in here. Look at this. Bare walls. Look at that. Everything looks tore up. Everywhere. So anyway, did y'all know? Look at this. Y'all look at that. Did y'all know? Did y'all know they're changing their prices to $1.50? That's what you should be checking out. But outfit of the day, what you got to say? Look at all of that. I'll see you guys because I already got my paper towels. I think I found some. This is velvet matte. Velvet matte. We're gonna try that. Okay. We're in Whole Foods, and this is what I'm looking for: a B12, vitamin B12. The good thing about that, as soon as I walked in the door, y'all, it's right in your face. So it's gonna be in between this one here, because there's a lot of vitamins. I mean, it's a lot. Even though I'm vegan, y'all, there's a lot of things you eat that might not have enough supplements and nutrition in it, so you do have to buy extra. So that's why we're here. But yeah, everything's good. They are playing some music, so we're gonna probably cut this short in a minute. But I just wanted to show you guys that I'm here and we're gonna get our B12. So I'll see you guys in the car and I'll show you what y'all, we're in and out of the Whole Foods. It was that easy. It wasn't really that bad. But I'll see you guys in the car. Guys, so this is the one I went with, the vitamin B12. And if you can see right here, it says vegan. Oh, sorry about that. It says vegan there. But anyway, you get 100 capsules, and these are lozengers, and you get 100, and you only have to take one a day. Opposed to the other one, you was getting less, and you had to take 2 a day. So this is 500 mcgs, and you get 100. So I'll have this for like 3 months opposed to having it for 1 month. And I don't know why I had to get this big humongous bag, but whatever. Let's see what else. From Dollar Tree, I picked up the Bounty paper towels, and I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try it with you guys and see how this looks on. This is supposed to be matte. And this is the color that I was looking for, guys. I think I told y'all I only have like pink, light pink, the dark pink, fuchsia, and I have, light pink, I have fuchsia, and I have that red. So this is the orange that I like for this time of the season. So let's see how this looks. Hold on, y'all. Let me pull this down and see what I'm doing here. Even on top of what I'm putting it on, it's nice. Ooh. This is a matte. Oh, wait. What y'all think? Wait a minute now. I actually like this. What do y'all think? So this is what it is, y'all, if y'all can see that. So at Dollar Tree, it's for $1. You can't beat that. And this is LA Colors, which is a good brand. So yeah, so guys, that is going to do it for me today. This is your Vlogtober 12th video. I will see you guys in the next one. Love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world be a much better place. And guys, if you was not sure, why was you going to get those knobs? I'm looking for those knobs for my console dresser that I created in the bedroom. So that's what the knobs were for. So we're going to find those knobs, because for $5, you can't beat that. Unless I see it at the bins for cheaper. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hope you all liked hanging out with me today. Let me know about my lip color. What y'all think? All right, bye, y'all.